Alright, we're going to play with these jets a little bit. There you go. Don't sit down, you wobble too much. Okay, well, we know exactly the size of it, don't we? I'm going to guess it's a small one down here. Okay, that one went in pretty easy.
Go to the next size.
Yep. And this size. It's hard to do with big fat fingers that are numb. And being bashed too many times and ground too many times and burnt too many times. Other than that, there's no problem figuring this out.
Yeah.
So better go into this direction. Yeah. See, I didn't want to go in.
Yep. Clogged.
Okay, that was either slightly plugged or slightly bigger now. Let's see, we're going to go with a jet. Where do my jets go? Right here. You know, got any jets laying around?
Yeah, there's some jets.
Might resemble those.
Maybe I should get my glasses and read the number.
I don't need to read the numbers written down right here where I can read it. Those are the hand jets. Those speed jets. Okay, I'm guessing 25 is stock size. Here's a 27.5. 27.5 goes right in. When they come with that much plastic, you know they cost a lot. It's not been opened yet. You can't buy jets right now. Mikuni.
Really?
Sutco's closed up, and Mikuni doesn't like selling shit.
Huh.
V-twin is the only one that sells jets by each. You have to buy 5 at a time. Take
Really?
20 years to sell them. They charge accordingly too.
Yeah, I bet.
Okay, so this one's too tight to go in there. So we're going to call it and be in the 27.5.
27.5?
Or it's a 25 that's been reamed out with a drill bit. So I'm going to guess it's one size bigger than stock now.
It might have been Gino pushing his shit through.
Well, I pushed it through too, so it went too tight.
Okay.
So either way, it's like a 26 now. Which means we should be close.
Cool.
Okay, so that takes care of the little dinky ones you can't see. What's the next one?
The main?
The big one.
The big one.
The one that we can see. That's the one that's this big.
Right.
Big bastard. I don't have all the sizes though of this kit, but hopefully it's got one of these that we need. Probably the one that's missing. Yep.
Is it really?
Probably. Yep.
Son of a bitch.
Told you. Okay, I'm just rubbing it on the side to clean if there's anything in the inside the jet hole.
Mm-hmm.
And then you go like that and see if anything comes off. No fungi.
Didn't see no.
So it doesn't look like they were plugged up. So it's bigger than this one.
It's smaller than the
Smaller
other
than that one. So let's see, these are like 160-ish. What these are run at. You can see the ones I sell the most of are these two. And he's definitely bigger than that one. It's 167 here. It's definitely loose the goose. So not that one. So you want these two sizes here. So you basically are within one size of stock probably. I'm guessing you're probably the 62.5.
You think that's still good?
Yeah. So basically you got like stock jets in here. These are not big numbers.
Okay.
Did you just mix up my two drills? I think you did.
There you go.
I'm gonna fit in a hole. Must be the big
Got to
one.
get the right hole.
Must be the big one.
Tea or cranberry juice. What do you want, Tatro? Just name it.
Nothing.
Nope. Oh,
I was trying to get some gasoline, but it didn't have any. Trying to get some gasoline, but didn't have any. And I accidentally spilled it outside when I walked outside to take a sniff of it.
You know,
EPA didn't see it though, so I'm okay.
he goes around those turn things so quick that he goes right over the curb.
Don't know how I drive.
He does like 35, 40, and he goes right over the
well, you
curb.
came in this way?
All of them, everyone we hit.
Oh, okay.
I didn't drive through the island like you do.
He doesn't stay on the street. One side of his car goes right over the curb on the turnabout.
You gotta slow down for those turns.
I'm not sure what you're talking about. What about that old guy I almost ran over?
He goes, that would have been 2 points.
They're probably from racing motorcycles.
Okay, this rubber here appears to not have any holes in it. It looks like Gino put a thing on to hold it on so it doesn't blow off. So it looks good. So I'm not seeing any built-in air leaks.
Yeah, we didn't have that off.
You got it looks okay. Alright, so everything looks good. I don't know why it's flooding.
Now you got me worried.
Probably just you.
Probably just me.
Is the float full of hollow or is it full of fuel?
No idea.
It's a solid float. Don't get full of fuel.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't feel like it's any heavier than normal either. No sloshy. So it all looks okay. And the needle looked okay. We looked at it earlier where it ran off to down here. So it hasn't dried out yet. It's a good sign. Alright, time to put it all back together. Do a cut.